Alright guys, so I got this at Costco. This is penny salsa. It was on sale. And this is a fresh salsa, you say. So actually it looks a little different too, as you can see. It's not like pureed to death. So and let's do a quick taste test. You guys want to read this? Pause the video. So alright, let's do this. Alright, check this out. So I got it out. We'll do a quick taste test. And here it is. It's good. It's got that sort of fresh taste, and you can see the chunks in there. Totally different than your regular salsa, so definitely check it out. If you have questions, comment, subscribe to the channel. It does have some kick to it though, like a little bit of jalapeno